In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install pip on Ubuntu. Let me quickly show you what is the Ubuntu version I'm using. So you can see I'm typing the command etc static release and I'm using Ubuntu 22.04. Let me clear my screen. Normally, the simple way of installing pip is through Python. Let's check my Python version. I'm just typing Python 3 -- version, so I'm using Python 3.10. Let me clear the screen. Now, normally you just simply type sudo apt install python 3-pip, but when you do that in Ubuntu, then it says python 3-pip has no installation candidate. So in that case, all you need to do first is to type, after clearing your screen, sudo apt update. It is going to update the whole operating system, and once that's done, then you can go and install your pip. So let's wait for it to finish. Shouldn't take too long. That's done. Let me clear my screen, and now simply type python 3-pip and then type y, press enter, and it should be installed fairly quickly. Let's wait for it to finish. And it is almost done. Let's wait for it to come back. Here press enter, and there you go. Now let's clear the screen, and now in order to check the version of pip, simply do pip 3 version, and there you have pip installed. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are still stuck or having issues, let me know and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.